What's good, people? I'm back again with another unboxing. Just before I get into the unboxing, I'd like to request everyone to like, comment, share, and subscribe because that helps the channel out. So, everyone who's watching or listening, whatever you're doing to this video, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. That is supporting the channel properly supporting the channel. So it's actually funny seeing the box that they sent these in. So it's a bit different. I wasn't really expecting this box, as I do have this trainer, sneaker, whatever you want to call it, and they didn't send this box, but it is different. It's good, and I do like the box. It's just quite different. Move to Zero is Nike's journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport. Move to Zero. This product is made with at least 20% recycled content by weight, which reduces waste and our carbon footprint. It's got so much stuff on the bottom that I'm not going to read. I'll be honest. It also says scan to learn more, so that's like a barcode. It just says in different languages this paragraph, or whatever you want to call it, sentence. Let's get into the trainer, man. So it's a Nike Air Max Genome. That's how it's written. That's how I'm going to say it. Black and anthracite. Black and anthracite Air Max Genome. Yeah, I'm not gonna call these anthracite, whatever. These are just triple black to me. I'll be honest. I'll be so honest. Let's get into the trainers. Whoa. So the Nike Air Max Genome. Let's actually read this bit first, because this comes as like a little tag. Obviously, I took it off. It's actually not even pushed through the whole way properly. It's made with at least 20% recycled content by weight. So 20% of this is recycled. Very interesting to know. Let's throw that away onto the side. And here's the trainer. So the bottom, the Air Max sole, I don't know if you can see that. You know, the anthracite type grey colorway, the black colorway. The speckles, these are not used, by the way, it's just the look, I'll be honest. Whatever you want to call it, like the speckles don't come off. They don't come off. A full air bubble. So, black air bubble wrapped around. So it's a full one. It says Air Max on like the inner toe line. That's quite. Yep. So it says Air on the front. Got some glue issues, not gonna lie, man. I don't like that. That's why I don't like trainers with like one piece uppers, etc., or like two synthetic uppers, because you get stuff like that going on, which annoys me. So it's got, stiff plastic on the front. Stiff plastic that says Air Max on the back, leather tab, and then like a string cloth pull tab, or whatever you want to call it, heel tab, a bit of the same lining. Oh yeah, so they've just moved the lining onto the outside all the way in. On the inside, Nike tick, the greyish colorway, Air Max. don't know what that material is. And then it's got the similar material all the way back. This toe box always annoys me because it's just so flimsy, I'll be honest. Like, that's with the stuffing inside, so without it, yeah, it's not my favorite. But I do really like the trainers, the silhouette, the sneakers, whatever you want to call them. I love them. In the back, you know, it says Air Max on the tongue with a Nike swoosh grey, and then it has a netting, mesh type netting. Laces, I love these laces on trainers, sneakers. I don't know why, I think they just look good, especially when, say, you tie them up. I'm gonna wear these untied actually because I think they look way better untied. So it'll be laced up to the top and untied. Yeah, undone. Very nice, you know, clean. I'd say triple black colorway, you know, hints of grey. Very nice sneaker. Sizing, so I've gone for a size 10, which is just my Air Max sizing. I would love to give advice on sizing, but unfortunately I have the weirdest feet probably on YouTube, so my sizing is a bit but I'd say true to size, I guess. Go for your Air Max size, or whichever one you wear, Air Max 95, 97 in. Where me, I'm a different size in every freaking trainer. It annoys me a lot. But yeah, very nice, beautiful. Well, I like them a lot. I like them, I think, more than the black and white pair. I do have the black and white pair. I think these just hit a bit more. The white pair, black and white pair, not the biggest fan of, but I'd say these are much better. But yeah, that's all I've got to say for now. As always, there will be a on foot video to follow. Make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. Check out all my other videos and take care, people.